In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy Bitcoin with PayPal on eToro. To get started, the first thing you need to do is log into your eToro account. Make sure you're using the correct account and that you can access your dashboard without any issues. Once you're inside, you'll be ready to fund your account so you can place your Bitcoin trade. Next, click on Deposit Funds and choose PayPal as your payment method. This is the key step if you want to use your PayPal balance or a payment method linked to PayPal. Follow the on-screen prompts carefully, since the exact layout can vary slightly depending on your device or region. After that, complete the PayPal deposit and wait for the funds to appear in your available balance. In many cases, this is quick, but it's always a good idea to confirm that the money has actually arrived in your eToro account before moving on. If the balance hasn't updated yet, give it a moment and refresh if needed. Once your funds are available, use the search bar to find Bitcoin, which is usually listed as BTC. This will take you directly to the Bitcoin asset page, where you can view basic market information before placing your trade. From there, open the Bitcoin page and click Trade. This is where you begin setting up the position. If CFD trading is available for your account and region, you'll need to configure the trade as a CFD. For example, this can happen by using leverage or by opening an eligible sell position. The exact options shown to you may depend on local regulations and your account settings, so pay attention to what eToro displays on the order screen. Now, enter the amount you want to invest. Be sure to choose an amount that fits your budget and risk tolerance. Since Bitcoin can be highly volatile, many traders prefer to start with a smaller position until they're comfortable with how the platform works. Before submitting the trade, review the order details carefully, including the estimated opening costs. This is also the stage where you can optionally set your stop loss and take profit levels. These tools can help you manage risk and plan your exit in advance, which is especially useful in fast-moving markets. When everything looks correct, click Buy to open your Bitcoin CFD position. That will place the trade using the funds you deposited through PayPal. Thanks for watching.